We're getting you this breaking news coming in from Mumbai, where the Bombay High Court has quashed the molestation case against Ness Wadia filed by actor Preity Zinta. Do remember that this is a case that really had grabbed headlines when Preity Zinta actually came out about these allegations in the open. This was the year 2014, and all this matter then was in the court, but the Bombay High Court today has quashed the molestation case against Ness Wadia. Our colleague Dinesh, I think, is just going to join us to get you more details on what really transpired and what has the court said. Dinesh is joining us live on the broadcast. Dinesh, क्या कहा है बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट ने ये केस को क्वॉश करते हुए?
देखिए, इन चेंबर सुनवाई थी इस मामले की। दोनों ही पार्टी, प्रीति जिंटा और नेस वाडिया, दोनों ही जस्टिस मोरे जो है उनके सामने पेश हुए, उन दोनों की बात रखी गई और उसके बाद कोर्ट ने आदेश दिया कि इस पूरे मामले को क्वैश कर दिया जाए। तो खारिज करने का आदेश जो है कोर्ट ने दे दिया। साथ ही में ये भी हिदायत दोनों ही पक्षों को दी है कि वो इस मामले को लेकर बाहर बात ना करे। तो एक तरह से उन पर बात करने पर पाबंदी लगा दी गई है, लेकिन हमारे सूत्र जो है जो उस समय मौजूद थे उनका कहना है कि दोनों ही पक्षों को आदेश दिया कि के तहत यहां पर अब ये मामला खारिज होगा। तो एक तरह से हम रिलीफ जरूर कह सकते हैं नेस वाडिया को, क्योंकि 2014 में जब से मामला लगा तब से लगातार चल रहा था। प्रीति चाहती थी कि नेस वाडिया जो है वो इस मामले में माफ़ी मांगे, वहीं उन्होंने इस पूरे मामले को डिसमिस करने की याचिका जो है वो यहां पर दायर की थी। तो आज इस एफआईआर के क्वॉश होने के बाद से एक राहत जरूर नेस वाडिया को मिली है। बैक टू यू।
ठीक है दिनेश, हमारे साथ रहेगा। लेट्स आल्सो गेट निरंजन, who's adding more perspective to that story. Niranjan, tell us what really is the backstory, what happened? Because I think the last that I do remember, what the court told Preity Zinta and Ness Wadia, that finished this off.
Well, this has been going on for several years. You will remember, Dipti, that when we were in another channel, we had covered the story very, very closely. And the allegations were, of course, some serious allegations were made by Preity Zinta. Now, she had alleged molestation and a series of charges were made. Now, Ness Wadia's stand in this matter has always been that, he's innocent and what Preity had said were untrue. Now, in the last couple of weeks, there have been some fast-paced developments, and Ness has been, fighting to ensure that all of this comes to an end. And in court today, the court, this happened in the judges' chambers, and what we are given to understand is that the media has been asked, the teams rather have been asked not to get into, not to speak to the media. And very little is known, but we can confirm that as far as Ness Wadia is concerned, it's a relief for him, because all charges have been dropped. The case has been quashed.
And Niranjan, even as you get us that detail, I do remember again one more quote that came in from Ness Wadia's counsel, Adab Pona, who said, and I'm quoting him, that we want to bury the hatchet, but my client, that is Ness Wadia, is not ready to apologize. So it all came down to an apology. We do know both the sides wanted this case to be settled, but is there more fine print details now we are picking up about how this case finally has come to this? Okay, we'll take it back to our colleague Dinesh, who is at the Bombay High Court getting that story. So दिनेश, ये केस क्वॉश हो गया है, लेकिन क्या दोनों साइड्स के अग्रीमेंट से हुआ है? क्या किसी साइड ने कोई अपॉलॉजी दी है? किस तरह की जानकारी फिलहाल है आपके पास?
जी देखिए, इस बात को लेकर हमने सवाल भी पूछा था दोनों पक्षों से, लेकिन चूंकि कोर्ट का ये आदेश है इसलिए हम इसे रिपोर्ट भी नहीं कर सकते। हमें ये इस आदेश का पालन करना होगा। लेकिन जो आदेश आने के बाद जब दोनों ही पार्टी बाहर आई, प्रीति जिंटा और नेस वाडिया, दोनों ही के चेहरे पे लग रहा था कि जो फैसला दिया है उससे कहीं ना कहीं वो संतुष्ट है। किस तरह की मन में कोई किसी तरह गिला शिकवा नहीं है एक दूसरे को लेकर। आपको मैं बता दी, जब से डिसमिस पिटीशन फाइल की गई थी नेस की तरफ से, उसके बाद से ही जो है इनके बीच जो उस समय 2014 में हुआ था और आज 2018 है, और ऐसे में काफ़ी हद तक पानी गुजर चुका है। उस समय ज़रूर खटास थी, जो कुछ गलतफहमियां ज़रूर बनी थी। प्रीति ने केस मॉलेस्टेशन का दायर किया था, जैसे कि नेस वाडिया ने कहा था कि वो इनोसेंट है, कुछ नहीं किया था। इन 4 सालों में बहुत कुछ बदला और शायद यही वजह कि कोर्ट ने दोनों पक्षों को सुना और उसके बाद पिछले सुनवाई में ही कहा था कि अब 4 साल से ज्यादा का वक्त हो गया, आप दोनों ही अपनी बात करके इस मसले को खत्म करें। तो आज जो फैसला
दिनेश हमारे साथ रहेगा। निरंजन इज बैक विद अस ऑन द फोन लाइन। दिनेश, we'll quickly take it to him and then I come back to you. Niranjan, what more details are you picking up now?
Well, we're just picking up more details because you will remember that this has been a long courtroom battle between Ness Wadia and Preeti Zinta. Now the charges were many, but eventually what has happened is that Ness Wadia has been fighting to ensure that these charges are dropped. And as Dinesh has been telling us, and what we've also picked up from both legal teams, is that this happened in the judges' chambers. And we don't know what transpired inside the judges' chambers. And we also know that they've been asked not to speak to the media. But this is a relief for Ness Wadia because he wanted the charges dropped. They were due to appear in the judges' chambers for the final hearing. The court has been saying that there needs to be a settlement in this case and that it should be brought to a finish. And that is exactly what has happened. And both legal teams have been barred from speaking to the media. So they can't really speak to the media and give out full details. But we can confirm that as far as Ness Wadia is concerned, it is a big relief for him. And the case has been quashed. There were several charges that were made. You will remember, Dipti, there were allegations of misconduct in a stadium during IPL games. And following all of that, she had filed an FIR. There was a long charge sheet that came out. But now it's all come to an end because the stand of Ness Wadia has also been that these charges have also affected the entire IPL functioning of his team, Punjab Kings 11, and he has said that the only solution to this could have been if the charges are dropped. Then both of them are also co-owners of the team, and that they need to sort of move on in life. Now this is a big development in that sense because the charges have been dropped, the case itself has been quashed, and if you look at it, it is what Ness Wadia had wanted. It's a big relief, but what happened inside the judges' chambers, we will have to wait and watch. But for now, the long courtroom battle, at least I think it's gone on for at least 4 years now. It's all come to an end.
Oh yes, Niranjan, for the moment, thank you. And I'll see if we can go back to our colleague Dinesh, who's just outside the Bombay High Court. But I'm just giving you a backgrounder as we get Dinesh back with us. Dinesh, June 13, 2014 को ये पूरी कंप्लेंट फाइल हुई थी और यहाँ पर प्रीति जिंटा ने अपने कंप्लेंट में ये भी बोला था कि उनको थ्रेटन किया जा रहा है, इंटिमिडेट किया जा रहा है, मॉलेस्टेशन. दीज आर द चार्जेस दैट शी हैड लेवल्ड. बट अगर आज कोर्ट ने इसको क्वॉश किया है फॉर द मोमेंट, Niranjan and Dinesh, thank you.